Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making intelligent purchasing decisions while having a good laugh. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On my left, we have the Eureka E10s, and on my right, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's see which one will suck the most. Dust, that is. First up, let's talk about the money. The Eureka E10s comes in at a whopping $699. That's almost as much as my rent. Meanwhile, the Kilgone is a budget-friendly $267. You could practically buy 3 Kilgones for the price of 1 Eureka. So if your wallet has commitment issues, Kilgone might be your new best friend. Eureka E10s boasts a bagless, self-emptying station that keeps dust at bay for up to 45 days. No more messy bags, no more wasted money. Kilgone, on the other hand, well, it's a bit more old school. It doesn't have a self-emptying feature, so you'll be getting your hands dirty more often. Eureka's got this one in the bag. Oh wait, there is no bag. Eureka E10s comes in with a powerful 4,000 pascals suction power. That's like a tornado in your living room. Kilgone also has strong suction. But let's be real, it's more like a gentle breeze compared to Eureka's hurricane. If you have pets that shed like it's their job, Eureka is your vacuuming superhero. Eureka E10s features precision LiDAR navigation, making it the Sherlock Holmes of robot vacuums. It avoids obstacles, cleans corners, and even detects furniture edges. Kilgone's got a 360-degree sensor array and a slim design, but it's more like a clumsy toddler, adorable yet prone to bumping into things. If you want a vacuum that's more brains than brawn, Eureka takes the cake. Battery life showdown. Eureka E10s can run up to 180 minutes, practically making it an Olympic marathoner. Kilgone, with its 100-minute runtime, is more of a sprinter. It's great for quick cleanups, but for whole house cleaning, Eureka leaves Kilgone in the dust, literally. Eureka E10s comes with a fully customized app that lets you manage zones, set no-go areas, and schedule cleaning times. Kilgone also has a smart app and even supports voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. So if you want to boss your vacuum around like a true tech overlord, Kilgone's got your back. But for more detailed control, Eureka is the way to go. Based on Amazon reviews, the Eureka E10s is praised for its powerful suction, effective mapping, and convenient self-emptying station, though it could improve in deep cleaning and carpet performance. Kilgone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and decent performance on both carpets and hard floors, with a slight edge in mopping capabilities. Users love its smart features and quiet operation. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-fuss cleaning companion, Kilgone is your guy. But if you want top-tier performance, advanced features, and don't mind spending a bit more, Eureka E10s is the vacuum for you. Either way, your floors will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.